everyone, I'm Pauline Sta.Ana from grade 12 STEM St. Patricia. And in this video, we will be talking about the parts of the cell and how they're analogized to a donut city. Each section of the donut city will be compared to the organelles of a cell. So, let me take you on a quick tour of the cell city I created for the major performance tasks prepared for our subject teacher in General Biology 1. So, as you can see, we have the cell wall, ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum, and the protein in the left side of the CT. While on the other side of the CT, we can see the Golgi bodies, vacuole, chloroplast, chromosomes, and the mitochondria. And in the central part of the CT, we can finally see the cell membrane, lysosome, nucleolus, nucleus, and the nuclear membrane. So, let's start with the left side of the CT. The first one is the cell wall, which is the donut land. The walls and infrastructure of the donut land support and hold up the structure in the same way that the cell wall maintains cell shape. Furthermore, this organelle can only be found in plant cell. The next one is the ribosome or the fryer. The fryers cook donuts in the same way as ribosome accomplish protein synthesis. The next one is the endoplasmic reticulum or the cooling rack. The cooling rack helps transport the donuts just like the endoplasmic reticulum is the transport system inside the cell. The next one is the proteins or the donuts. Proteins are the main function and product of cells, just as donuts are the main export and product of the donut land. The next one is the nucleolus or the table. The donut land dough is kneaded on the table within the kitchen, similar to how the nucleolus is found inside the nucleus. The next one is the cell membrane or the kitchen door. The nuclear membrane controls what goes in and out of the nucleus, just as the kitchen door controls who and what comes in and out. The next one is the nucleus or the kitchen. The control center of the shop is the kitchen, just as the nucleus, where DNA and RNA production takes place. It is indeed the control center of the cell. The next one is the lysosomes or the trash bin that can also consider as a janitor. Similar to how lysosomes digest and destroy toxic organelles, the janitor disposes away leftovers and rubbish into a trash bin. Furthermore, these organelles can only be found in animal cell. The next one is cell membrane or the door to the shop. Just as cell membrane controls what goes in and out of cell, the shop door controls who enters and exits the store. Mitochondria or the sun. The sun's energy provides power to the donut shop through the power panels, just as the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell and produces ATP or adenosine triphosphate. The next one is the chloroplast or the solar panels. A solar panel converts sunlight into electricity in the same way as chloroplasts convert light energy into sugar chemical energy. Furthermore, this organelle can only be found in plant cell. The next one is the chromosomes or the recipe box. A recipe box full of recipe is identical to chromosome full of DNA. The next one is the vacuole or ref. A refrigerator is used to store food, as well as a vacuole is used to store chemicals. The next one is, or the last one, is the Golgi bodies or the delivery trucks. Trucks package and transport the product in the same way that the Golgi apparatus package and exports protein into vesicles.